18 seconds shot clock. 18 seconds shot clock. Number 3, pasok na number 15. Number 15, balik sa Leo. Leo kanilang bola. 12 seconds shot clock. 10. Loy, nasa kanan Loy. Balik ka na po sa Chris. Hindi mo dinigan Loy. Balik ka Loy. Ito na bola. 10 seconds shot clock. 5. Foul must call. Third personal foul for number 13. First team foul for Ormo. 10 seconds shot clock. 68-57 in favor of the Roman. 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining in that one for the final quarter. Mula din ang number 10. Handling the ball. Foul number 5, warning for second. Number 10, Ormo. Warning. Game. Number 15, the local player. Number 10, William.
Importante ball permit diri naik bau salta kakap na ubus ana ko balo ko
Number 5, that's her third personal foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Oh, big head off.